It's day 1572 of the Arukh HaShulchan. Yomi there during your there Simon Shin Yud Zayin, Sif Aleph the Shin Yud Ches, Sif Yud Gimel. Shin Yud Zayin, Dim B'chor Shin Yisarif, Umeis Echad Me'em. The halacha b'chor which got mixed up, another animal obviously, and one of them died. Of course, the Rambam Parakeh didn't die. Didn't. Hey, I'm right. Shnaim Shivki Shnei Tzchim Metzorah, two people who gave for safekeeping, two males to a tzoroah, to a shepherd. Echad B'chor was a B'chor Shor. B'chor Hashem Poshi, the other was not a B'chor. Meis Chamem, one of those died. They don't know which one. Mirchor Hashem B'nei beside the shepherd leaves the two. One, the second one, still alive among the two of them, and he removes himself. Right? So it's a doubtful case. They don't know if it's a B'chor or not. Bechor v'shneim are suffix bechor. It should be, there's a parenthesis here, which is out of place. For a suffix bechor, it's a suffix bechor. Shem chokim maso, they both divide up. Shein echad me'em makir shlo, because neither of them knows which is his. Akal shono, chen kosef v'tzor v'shulchan aruch. V'yesh lovin, the Bamatzia Mukhla Shas and Myrik Ship Kilo Etzorosh Lo Midaito. The Bamatzia Davlam Zayin takes this case where two people left by the shepherd without his awareness. They couldn't be died if they left it with his awareness. So and if the Mashminech Chai Benem Islam wouldn't exempt themselves by leaving the live one between the two of them and leaving. The lady day Nami the Rami like Yoshimi Mace upon him it's incumbent to know who's died. So he has to pay from his pocket. But as makes one which died and jump. Spies of Chashmishin Simon Shin. Din Zebul Kairos. Lama Lo Beruza went to explain that here. Now Bemis Bakan ain't the Indian. Here it's not an issue. The Zel Rockly Day moment it has to turn to monetary law. And in terms of the Yordea law, there's no Afghanistan. Sub Zachai Usavi. Bechar analysis, this one is alive. It's a sub Shneim Chokim Maso, and they both divided up. In terms of the halacha b'chor, but welcome because b'chor, they can eat it, but they divide up and they eat it with b'chor. Shimam gets mum. Gamachaya cher shite mikiso, and the second one, which he has to pay out of his own pocket. If they gave it to him with his cognition, that they divide up, they eat up his chulin. Came with the din of b'chor, but that's in terms of chesh mishpat. In terms of the b'chor, there's no nafkina. As they didn't mention it here in the Yodea. Base v'dayish no kirshnaim shiv kilo etzel echad b'chor. Two people who gave for safekeeping b'chor to a third party. Im kohen amafki, the kohen was the person who gave it over. Pashu shechlo is obviously divided up. I mean, you saw amafki, but if the soil gave it, it was going to go. So his dam lo dain kohen. No kohen has yet come. He's not come yet upon any kohen. Yesh topic. It's unclear. Shamina shachay nishara topic b'chor. We say the one who's left alive remains a topic b'chor. Imchoyev huli tem mechzish lo kohen. Does he have to give his after the kohen came to the kohen via b'chor badai because before it was definitely b'chor. To me say kim shakapanim ato suffix. It's now it's a suffix. Answer no kohen kedin kol suffix b'chor. You don't have to give it to the kohen. Like any other suffix b'chor, you don't have to give it to the kohen. But near it's certainly in a kohen. Since you have to give it to the kohen. Shrei loyal yisrael me'elam shum schusbo. This is the Yisrael had no merit, no right into it. Back Moshe Kohen of Kido, and it's as if the Kohen gave this bechor. I'm not sure exactly why that's true. I guess it's a Vade Bechor. Before it was definitely but it's not a Vade Bechor, since it was a Vade Bechor, so therefore it's a suffix in a Vade Bechor. So therefore you have to give, definitely have to go to a Kohen. It does have to go to a Kohen. Because before we had no permanent schus in it. So it's as if the coin gave it a pikon, even though he had delivered it to the coin. But it's about a bechor, so it's as if it belongs to the coin. Something along those lines. Kimo okas around Ramos writes hifkide bechor to ba'abais of the bechor ba'abas in yecha bechor ba'abais pashulon ba'abas left with his regular animal. Meisacham man, one of them died. So any do ezim don't know which one died. And mutzchaber lavaraya. To extract this requires evidence. So if I feel royal coin, even the shepherd's coin, he left his bechor in the chotzer ba'abas in pasha ba'abas with the non-bechor ba'abas. And meisacham then dies a mutzchaber lavaraya. You have to prove that it was which one died. You can't remove it from the yard of Babas El Baraya unless you approve. Because the owner of the Bukhara allowed him to put it with the Babais' Pashut. The marriage Midas Babachoini, the Rambam is concerned to explain to us about where, with the intent of Babachoy, put them together. Look, if not, a Chayav Hashem would have to pay. And live would have to be given to Kohen. Mashrein B'din HaKohen is supposed to play with the Benkach, they both take the live animal. Nifka knows low, but here the person who got to be caught on takes it, but Mumo and eats it with a mum. With when it was with the mafki's intent, the person who gave its intent. If not a mafki knows about mumo, then the person who put it there takes and eats it with its mum. Rabbi says, okay, this is not for us because we're not going to stand without looking at turn shulchan inside. In terms of the shepherd, they write differently. So write the two rights. So coin. A shepherd is the coin. Was a chutzer ba'abayis who put the animals in the chutzer of the owner. When they gave birth to b'chor b'nisarav im shel ba'abayis got mixed with that ba'abas and meisach hamen one dies. We don't say came with shurah shlo since he's his shepherd. He no chatzeru he came the ba'abas came king in his chutzer sheikh no b'chor miyad so she maked the b'chor miyad v'avalei kishnayim shivkilu etzel echad. So it's like two people who gave an object to one person. Came shlo b'li had coin since the coin never got it. Never acquired it. Probably ba'abayis muksah ba'abas is muksah v'yochanan mum when he eat it when it gets a mum akal l'shono. The Canaan Mishulon see if Gimel Koitz to the Kitzur Lotion is also stated briefly in the Kitzur. Ein Sham Plukti and Bechoritz Bechoritz Ein Sham Aram Lochash Barazer. Ram is not concerned to explain. Mishum the Zen okay Dini Mamas as do the monetary law of Ramazan but Mashakosam. I feel okay and Bechulin he alluded to that even if the rose the coin Bechulin come out Lormin or Shik no Lomag Chatzer. We don't say that the Ba'abas gave him a space in his chutzah to make kingdom. Most of that which you not write all the time. Then after kingdom, doesn't matter if it's 1 or 100. Pashu, it's obviously if the Ba'abas was makne to place in his field to the shepherd with the kingdom do sharah, then the animal belongs to the road. Back says Zayin Shach, Pesach Shuv, Mashkot Pesach Shuv, B'Shem Chazu Sefer, Chosh Yisar, Rabbi Tzon, B'Chosh got mixed up in many sheep. That has to do with it's not relevant to here. Shin Yud Ches. Kama Sekazini B'chor Behema. Said, well, that dubious case in case of B'chor Behema. Aleph. Recha Shaloi Bichra. A sheep which does not yet give birth, the older snake gave birth to 2 males. I feel to shame Hashem. Even the 2 heads came out simultaneously. Konka makes snake Kush Bechora. Then they can't both be Kush Bechora. It doesn't work that way. But time to come with the Yavshad Sunday, they show the reasons because it can't be precisely aligned in something which happens at the hands of heaven. I feel him no my Adam meaning even to say that person, if he has in mind and attempts to make 2 precise equal halves. It's possible to do this precision. That's going to happen. Come, never say hands of heavens. Come, show me. This happen, and so it's not possible. They did not both come out simultaneously. One came before the other. We don't have it's a photo finish. We don't know how to tell which is which because they didn't have photographs back then anyway. There were only one that's so flowers came in a coin of motzi. So the coin is trying to extract the animal. Ba'abayis is muksa the animal. Not the coin is a kochush. The coin can take one of them, but you have to take the weaker one. The Oshiyes for Lamar, the Bari Yotzi Kodem, or unless there's a Svarat to say, Avshis for Lamar, even there is a Svarat to say that Bari Yotzi Kodem, that the healthy one came up first. The Ochez Hashem, because with his strength he pushed over the second one. Yesh is Zorah came Gemara, there is such a pin in Gemara. Never say a look, that's not local. Nesh ain't to the Bar, because it's not clear. Vasheni should be about bites. Have a Savi now, second one, which remains hands about bites. It's a Savi, Bechor Menachem Bumum Labadim. Again, when it gets room for the owner. Vimesach man, one of them dies, ain't kind of coin, including coin has nothing. Shamas Chavet Lavaraya. He has to be able to prove which one it is. If this one it says, Chain Yolda, Zoran gave it so the gave birth to a male female. Ain't kind of coin, including the coin gets nothing. Shaman gave it to maybe the female came out first. The Nechos Harim Bumum Labadim, the male's in when it gets moved by the owner, Clean Savi Bechor in as any always the Savi Bechor. Okay, base, because of the small brackets, inconsequential. Base. Pashu the Kol Sabi born Karnisha Babayim. Tabs any sub Bechor which remains in the hands of the original owner, also because the is still allowed to shear or work it. For Gamchid Litain Mizem Matos Kuni also have to give the Zwal Chaim and Keva from the coin. The Iman of Shach, whichever we look at it, Imu Bechor, if it was a Bechor, or part of Matos is exempt from Matos, already cool coin. Shogo the coin. Ain't a Bechor, it's not a Bechor, Chaim Matos, and has to give the Zwal Chaim Keva, come much to have a seam and Samachal. But I can't say the Kela Bizai Ray Yochel Coin Lamarlo, the coin is will say, I certainly have a connection to this feed, this to this calf. Oh, kulam miksaso, either all of it or part of it. Vatan, you shema ein lecha shaykos klau. Maybe you have no connection whatsoever. Koni mu bechor, such as if it's a bechor. Ken ein sov mitzvah. Your suffix does not preclude my vadai. Ein suffix moti miyad vadai. Take it to take the entire thing. Kach the suffix you have, I'm just like a suffix. Don't know if it's suffix. The child of the first husband who died, the child of the second husband was still alive. Suffix you have a nichse sava yivamas and not that you have a kol nechosim. The Yavam takes all the property. The second brother, time shum mitzvah. But I show that some of them are his. I sham hachinam kenu say let's say the same here. If for the same reason we take part of them, take all of them. But the Kohen himself who's getting the half which he gets, he doesn't know why he's getting it. If it's because of because of Bechorah. He himself is not muchzak in any definite way. So he's not considered Vadai. It's like prior over there, but Safik when the Safik, I don't know whose son is, when the children of Yavam, they don't consider the subject to be a definite. In other words, last suffix vade. Point is, they all divide together. There's no because nobody's definite. Two sheep shall be which not give birth to Bechor, and the other Shnei Zcharim, they gave birth to two males. Shneihem l'kohen, they both give the kohen males to Shum Rabus. That's not a chiddush. Zor in the cave, it's a male and female. Zor l'kohen, the male goes kohen. Shnei Zcharim in the cave, if it's two males and female. HaKohen does the kochesh, the kohen takes the weaker male. That Shnei Zcharim was doubtful. If he makes one of them dies, ain't l'kohen klum kohen has nothing. She said Chai Savik Bechoro, because one survives is the Savik Bechor. He has to be evidence to divide Bechor to take it. Yodu Shnei Nechevas gave birth to two females and V'zochar and a male. O Shnei Zcharim which take over the two males and two females. Harei Zcharim Safek. The Zcharim are doubtful. Shani Omer Klachas Yod Nekev, because I could say each one gave birth to first a female V'zochar and then a male. Vaneka Nekev that's a Tchila and the Nekev came first. If you're there for Ein Kam L'Kohen Klum, the Kohen gets nothing here. Shemas Tzarech Levarayah. It's got to bring a riot. There's some affinity here. One already gave birth prior, we see one not. The older states they gave birth to two males. One goes in, one goes to the coin. Each one is the coin takes the weaker one. One of them dies, ain't kind of coin gets nothing. The surviving one is a Sophic. Came Yolda Zohar in the cave, so they gave birth to a male and female. Ain't kind of coin gets nothing. The Zohar is a Savi Bechor. Gershon is Geyer, so to a Ger who was Megayer, essentially put him beyond Mekamoinim. in the ancient times. Sabi Bichra Bamto Kurim she's Gair. Not sure if Down became Bechor before it's Magair, Sabi Arkach or after it's Gair. Hare Sabi Sofik, it's doubtful. Yachamum by it's seen when it gets moved by the owner. Klalu, the general principle is Koshu Sabi Bechor, anytime you have a Sabi Bechor, Yira has the grace, that Shippa Mumado gets a mum, Yachabab and can be eaten by its owner. Kol Sabi Bechor Shetops a coin, any Sabi Bechor which is seized by a coin, that's a Rama Moti, as we've seen previously, according to Rama, we don't extricate it from the coin. That's the Rosh coin. The Rosh Matzim we do extricate from the coin. Because Sabi Bechor, any time you have a Sabi Bechor, Chaim Matanas, you have to give Israel Chaim Akeva. Zeh that's the Tuat's coin tour. Aval Rambam Zeh Rak Kshakoin Lunata Klum. That's why only the coin got nothing. Avakshu Shnaim, but there were two. The coin Natal Echon, the coin got one. Pata Shem Matanas, the second one Zevra Matanas. Betam the Avikila coin Zichel Lo Chain, because if the coin bestowed ownership on the second one on the original owner, it's big Kiddush. Plug the Miller to Machlekes in the Gemara. Mer the Gamma Tfis Lomani Lo Rambam Kshakoin Acher Kshakoin Natal Acher. That's of course that case. Of course, this coin got the first one. No coin can see the second one. Even coin Jesus the Rambam. The bracket says there should be honored the Talmud Divrei Shach v'Atash Sosim says that being on Stir Shatas Kos the Tuv Erech says Sipav Shach Kos Rambam, and only the Taj and Shach are not arguing. They're writing from different perspectives. That's all for tonight.